Pigmented leather, known for its rich color and durability, is a versatile material used for furniture upholstery, automotive interiors, leather craft, and luxury goods. It starts with the highest quality top-grain cowhide, which is carefully treated and colored with pigments that bond to the leather's surface. This process creates a uniform, rich color that lasts. Next, a protective top coat is added, locking in the color and providing protection against wear and tear, stains, and even sunlight. Pigmented leathers can be made in any color or texture, like our Essentials Natural Grain Collection, Urban Pebble Grain Collection, our Euro Smooth Italian Smooth Grain Collection, and even our Distressed Multi-Tone Dakota Collection. Whether in the home, in the car, or just on the go, pigmented leathers are made to last.